How to add a QR code to your OBS Studio live stream. Hey everyone, I'm Gil Hermy from JMV Technology. Today I'll show you how to add a QR code to your OBS Studio stream. With this, you can direct your audience to various links as needed. QR codes are widely used for donations, website links, products, and more. There are many tools available now to generate QR codes. Today, I'll demonstrate using Canva, a popular platform for designers. When you open Canva, choose the logo option. Here, you can insert an image that fills the entire allocated space. Next, go to Apps and search for QR code in the search bar. Select QR code generator. Canva will show several options. We'll use the QR code one. Enter your desired website link, then click Generate Code. Once generated, adjust the QR code to fill all the white space. After that, just download the file. With the QR code ready, open OBS Studio. I have a scene set up with a video source, but you can use any content you want to stream. In the card and description, there's a video on how to add scenes and sources in OBS Studio. In the Sources tab, click the plus icon and select Image. Name the source and click OK. Then click Browse and select the QR code image. Finally, click OK. Now adjust the QR code size and position on screen. In Sources, click the eye icon to show or hide the QR code. This way, you can add multiple images or QR codes and display them as needed during the stream. For more on live streaming, check our free course link in the description. To see our live streaming plans, scan our QR code or click the description link. That's it. If you liked this, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us on social media.